Okay, so let's start with Prasad.
Yeah.
So Prasad
So
says my flat number is 4. How can I get positive energies from my house?
yeah. So Prasad, what is your date of birth? Where is Prasad?
We'll just ask Prasad to put it into
18/12/1973.
Sorry, what did you
18/12,
say?
18th
1812.
December 1973.
18/12/1973, na?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you and me, we have same numbers. Yeah. So now since your flat number is 4, can you tell me what is it, single 4, or what is the exact flat number? Don't tell me the sum total. I mean, what is the flat number? It's just
It is
4.
single four. Single four,
Acha, it
yes.
is single 4. Yeah. And is there a wing in your building? A wing, B wing?
There are 6 wings.
So which wing do you stay in?
I. I is actually 9, but 3 are not built till now. So I stay in I
You,
wing.
I as in India, right?
Yeah, I for ice cream.
Yeah. Okay. So, and what work do you do?
I am a teacher.
Okay. So what I will suggest you is now, because you stay in I wing, and that thankfully helps me for the change of the vibration of the flat number that you live in. I would suggest you to add an I to your 4. So this will become a 5, the house number that you live in.
Okay, so
Prasad, are you there? Yeah. So this
yes,
becomes a
yes.
5. Yeah. So teaching is what? Communication eventually, right? It's being creative,
Yes, yes.
it's every teaching is everything to do with communication, everything, and to balance all kind of students. So this is what you need to do for your house. Just why I'm telling you I and not any other alphabet, because you are already living in a wing which is I. So instead of putting any random alphabets, you might as well add the I, which is your wing itself, and our work is done.
So
Okay,
he
so
needs
you
Okay.
to,
mean
so Ritika,
yeah,
he
so
needs to put that
You
on
need
the
to put,
nameplate.
yeah, so you can take you can make it officially on a nameplate, because you're not adding any random alphabet. That's the wing. So if you want in particular, you can make it official by a nameplate. But if that was not the case, in that case you can just take a small piece of paper and make that I very um, attractive, show some creativity there, and just stick right next to your house number. If you do not want to make it on a nameplate, just write an I, like this I, a small paper, and be creative with that, and just stick that next to 4, and the house vibration will then become a 5. Obviously, you will not do it officially, you will not receive your parcels. So this is what you will do. And a suggestion to everybody who's listening to the call, you can place number 24 on the south wall of your bedroom to bring in a lot of peace. 424 is eventually a 6. And why 24? Because 24 is a good octave of 6. Because 2 talks about emotions, 4 talks about the practicality, and 6 is responsibility. Okay. So 24 colors, you can choose blue. Try and avoid using reds. Try and use blue specifically. You can make a 24 in a sticker format, or you can just be creative with that 24 and stick to the south wall to bring in more peace and love and harmony. If you think everybody sits in the hall maximum of the time, and this is where people fight or have argue, so you place it in the hall, or your bedroom is fine.
which color should be I? Which color should be I? Written the
Prasad, there is a
color
lot
used
of
for
static. I can't hear you.
Prasad asked which color should he
Oh,
add?
you can go with you can go with pink,
pink.
like night. pink, yeah, like shades of pink.
Dark pink or light pink?
Take any pink,
You
yeah.
can take any shade of pink, Prasad.
Yeah.
And we'll move
Okay.
to another question because we'll be running out of time. Yeah. Thank you so
Yes.
much, Prasad.
Thank you.
No,
Thanks.
someone said, can we put 24 in bedroom and living room both simultaneously? Don't get greedy. Like I said, too much of everything is not good. Decide any one place and put either your living or your bedroom.
Okay.